Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Karess. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful fire orange hair using Tintation's hair color. Alright, so we're going to start off with some 613 20-inch hair. The density is 180%. We're going to be using the Tintation in the honey brown, cinnamon, Cajun spice, and ginger. First, I'm starting off with the color Cajun Spice, and I'm just applying it towards the bottom of the hair and working my way up. Just the FYI, the purple applicator brush is the Cajun Spice. The pink one is the cinnamon. The blue one is the honey brown. And the black is the ginger. For the most part, I use my hands for the ginger, but if you guys can stay tuned, you'll be able to see how I achieve this. The colors will be on the screen. So sit back and watch me work my magic. I hope you guys do enjoy this. Right now I'm combing through it just to make sure the color is deposited on all of the hair, because we don't want to see any 613 hair showing. Alright, so I finished basically all of the bundles in the back, and now I'm going to be working on the frontal. I do see a lot of light color, so I am going to fix that. So for this part, I am using my fingers to really get into the roots. We don't want any 613 hair showing here at all. Alright, I'm about to put you guys on game. You have to use a comb on your frontal. You have to comb through your frontal to make sure the color is deposited all throughout the frontal. Then we go back in with some ginger because we do not want any blonde hair, 613 colored hair showing. That is not the look that we want, and that's not the look we're getting today. So I left this on the hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I rinsed it off camera, and this is what we are left with. So I blow dried it, and after about 2 to 3 days, this is the curls that we are left with. It's a cute little wave or whatever. So I did not protect my lace, so it did stain the lace a bit, but it did not bother me when I was parting and stuff. You don't notice it at all. Right now I'm just showing you inside the cap, just showing you the inside and how well it's constructed, and it does features an adjustable strap at the back. I'm trying to cut the lace off on my head. I usually do it on a mannequin head, and it was giving me some trouble, as you can see. So I did notice later on in the video that my lace was a little bit too yellow, so I did go over it with some bleach, and I also dye the hair closer to the roots so it doesn't look so yellow. Now I'm using some Gots to Be glue in the yellow tube and I'm applying it on my hairline. I did the ball cap method. I put about 2 to 3 layers of the Gots to Be glue on. I let it dry and then I apply my infamous scarf on and I sit there for about 15 minutes. Using some Gorilla Snot, I am trying to lay down the edges a bit, you know, just trying to cover up the lace as much as possible because like I said, it was a little bit too yellow for me. Just laying down my baby hairs and creating them and using some Gorilla Snot to lay them down. So I'm basically done with it. I'm just gonna clean up my forehead because I did get some of the glue onto my forehead and comb it out a bit. Now I'm going to take my flat iron and curl the front because the curls did drop since this is 2 to 3 days old curls. Did somebody say fire? Fire, fire. This is the final look. I love how this look came out. It is so gorgeous. So guys, let me know how you feel about this entire look. Comment down below and tell me what you would like to see from me in the future. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, this is it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!